Today, let's talk about a game-changing way to give back, donating cryptocurrency to charity. This isn't just a trend, it's a powerful shift in how we can support the causes that matter most to us, using the technology of the future. Crypto like Bitcoin and Ethereum isn't just for trading or holding anymore. These digital assets are now opening doors to new ways of making a difference in the world. Now you can use your digital coins to support causes you care about and save big on taxes at the same time. It's a win-win. You help others, and you benefit financially. Donating crypto is as simple as sending it from your wallet to a charity's wallet. No complicated paperwork, no middlemen, just a few clicks and your donation is on its way. More and more organizations, from the Red Cross to local shelters, now accept crypto donations. The list is growing every day, making it easier than ever to find a cause that aligns with your values. This isn't just for the wealthy. Anyone with crypto can benefit. Whether you have a little or a lot, your contribution can make a difference. Here's the kicker. If you donate crypto that's gone up in value, you can avoid capital gains tax and still deduct the full value from your taxes. That means more of your money goes to charity, not to the IRS. Imagine you bought Ethereum for a few $100s, and now it's worth thousands. That growth can do more than just sit in your wallet. It can fuel real change. If you sell, you pay tax on the profit. That can take a big bite out of your gains, leaving you with less to give or keep. But if you donate it directly, you skip the tax and get a deduction. It's a smart financial move that maximizes your impact and your savings. Crypto donations are at the intersection of modern finance and modern giving. It's a new era for philanthropy, blending technology and generosity. It's efficient, smart, and can make a real impact. Your digital assets can become a force for good, transforming lives and communities. Let's break down how it works, why it's a tax win, and how you can do it yourself. We'll walk you through the steps so you can feel confident about making your first crypto donation. The process is easier than you think. Let's dive in and see how you can turn your crypto into real-world impact, starting today. So, how does donating crypto actually work? It might sound complicated, but the process is surprisingly simple and efficient. Crypto donations are becoming more popular every year, and more charities are starting to accept them as a new way to support their causes. You transfer your crypto directly to the charity's wallet. No selling, no converting to cash first. This direct transfer means your donation can reach the charity almost instantly, no matter where you are in the world. Most charities display their wallet address or a QR code on their website. This makes it easy for anyone to donate, whether you're a seasoned crypto user or just getting started. You simply send your chosen amount from your wallet to theirs. The process is as easy as sending a text or making an online payment. The transaction is fast, secure, and cuts out traditional banking middlemen. Blockchain technology ensures transparency, so you can even track your donation on the public ledger. The charity can hold your crypto as an investment or immediately convert it to cash, depending on their needs and policies. Here's why it matters. For tax purposes, crypto is treated like property, not cash. This has important implications for both you and the charity. If you sell your crypto first, you owe capital gains tax on any increase in value since you bought it. That can eat into your donation amount. But if you donate it directly, you don't pay that tax. You may even be able to deduct the full value of your donation on your taxes. The charity, as a nonprofit, pays no tax when they receive or sell your crypto, so your gift goes further. That means your full donation goes to the cause you care about, maximizing your impact. It's a win for you and for them. Crypto donations make giving easier, smarter, and more impactful than ever before. Let's talk about the real magic: tax savings. First, you avoid capital gains tax on any appreciation when you donate crypto directly. For example, if you bought Bitcoin for $5,000 and it's now worth $50,000, donating it means you skip taxes on that $45,000 gain. Second, you can deduct the full fair market value of your donation if you itemize. That's a double tax benefit. No capital gains tax, plus a big deduction. This strategy lets you give more to charity and pay less to the IRS. Financial advisors call this one of the most tax-efficient ways to give. You maximize your impact and your savings. It's completely legal and IRS approved. That's why more people are choosing to give this way. To get these tax perks, you need to follow the rules. Hold your crypto for over a year before donating to qualify for the best deduction. Donate only to IRS-recognized 5011 3 charities. Always verify their status. Keep detailed records. Get a written acknowledgement from the charity for donations over $250. You must determine the fair market value of your crypto on the day you donate. For donations over $5,000, you'll need a qualified appraisal and to file IRS Form 8283. These steps protect your deduction and keep you compliant. The IRS takes this seriously, so don't skip the paperwork. It's a little extra effort for a lot of tax savings. Do it right, and you'll maximize your benefits. Ready to donate? Here's your quick guide to making a crypto donation that's both easy and secure. First, pick a charity that accepts crypto. Check their website or use platforms like the Giving Block to find reputable organizations. Make sure the cause aligns with your values. Next, locate their official wallet address for your chosen coin. This is usually listed on their donation page, but if you're unsure, reach out to the charity directly for confirmation. Open your crypto wallet or exchange and carefully enter the charity's address. Take your time to avoid mistakes. Double-check every detail. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is crucial. Verify the address and the amount before proceeding. Enter the amount you wish to donate. Review all transaction details, and then confirm the transfer to complete your donation. Immediately save a screenshot or digital copy of the transaction and note the date and time for your records. Check the fair market value of your crypto at the exact moment of donation, and save that information. This will be important for tax purposes. Request a written receipt from the charity with all required details, including the date, amount, and type of cryptocurrency donated. Keep all your records, receipts, and documentation together in a safe place for tax time or future reference. For donations over $5,000, arrange for a qualified appraisal to meet IRS requirements and maximize your deduction. By following these steps, your crypto donation will be generous, secure, and financially smart. You're making a real impact, simply and confidently. This strategy is powerful, but don't go it alone. Always consult a tax professional or CPA with crypto experience before making a big donation. They'll help you navigate the rules, handle paperwork, and maximize your tax benefits. A good advisor can save you thousands and give you peace of mind. Donating crypto lets you support causes you love and lower your tax bill. Just follow the rules, keep great records, and get expert advice. It's the smartest way to be generous. Make your crypto work for you and for the world.